Looking for a role where taste meets leadership? Restoration Hardware is on the hunt for an associate gallery leader in Chicago, Illinois. This full-time gig puts you at the heart of a luxury brand, curating and conceptualizing stunning spaces that inspire. Imagine guiding a talented team and shaping the future of high-end design. Exciting, right? With a salary ranging from $95,000 to $150,000 a year, it's a fantastic chance to grow your career in a vibrant environment. Ready to elevate your path? Click a link below to apply. If you're watching this on social, head to jobpeaks.com or tap the link in our bio.